Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter surface area and volumes. In the previous lectures, I have explained you about the surface area of the solid shapes. Okay. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the volumes of the adjoining figures. Okay, that are the solids shape. So, let's start with exercise 13.2, question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. So find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. In this question we have a shape of cone that is mounted on a hemisphere, and the radius of cone and the hemisphere are equal. In the same way, height be equal to 1 centimeter, and we need to find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. In this question, no need to put the value of pi, we have to just calculate and answer comes in the form of pi. So total volume of solid is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So volume of cone is 1 over 3 pi r square h. So students, here radius is 1 given in this statement, height is also 1. So we put the value r and h, we get the answer pi over 3 cubic centimeter. Now volume of hemisphere is 2 over 3 pi r cube, and we put the value of r is 1, we get 2 pi over 3 cubic centimeter. So the total volume of solid is volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So after that, by taking the LCM, we get the answer pi cubic centimeter. So hence total volume of solid is pi cubic centimeter. Next, here we have question. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its ends by using the thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. You can see, observe from the diagram, and its height is 12 centimeter. So if each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, if each cone has the height 2 centimeter, then total height of the cylinder is 8 centimeter by subtracting the height of the two cones. Find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. In this question, we have to find the total air contained. That is, we need to calculate the volume. Since the model contains cylinder and two cones, so volume of air contained in model is equals to volume of model plus volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder plus volume of first cone and volume of second cone. Students, here observe from the diagram, here we have the two cones. If we add the volume of two cones plus volume of cylinder, that must be equal to the volume of model. So volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h. By putting the values of r and h, diameter of radius cylinder is 3, so radius must be 3 over 2. Height is given of cylinder, that is 12 centimeter. So in this way, height of total solid is 12, so height of cylinder is 12 minus 4, that is by subtracting the height of the cone. In this way we get the 8 centimeter. So after putting the values of radius and height, we get pi 22 over 7, 3 over 2 into 3 over 2 2 times, and after cancelling out 2 to 2, we get 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, and after that 3 into 3 into 2 into 22, we get 56.57 cubic centimeter. Now volume of cone is radius of cone is equals to radius of cylinder, and that is equals to 3 by 2 centimeter. So height of cone is 2 centimeter. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here put the value of pi, r and h on by doing simple calculation. 2 to 2 will cancel, 2 to 11 will cancel, 3 to 3 cancel. We get the answer 4.7 cubic centimeter. So, since both the cones have the same height and radius, so their volume must be same. In this way, we just need to put the values of volume of cylinder, volume of first cone plus volume of second cone. We get the answer 66 cubic centimeter. So, volume of air contained in model is equals to 66 cubic centimeter. Next we have question, important question we have. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Students, all of you have eaten the gulab jamun ever. So here we have a gulab jamun that is filled up the sugar syrup and up to the about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. If we found the sugar syrup in one gulab jamun, then after multiplying the sugar syrup with 45, then we get the sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamun. Each have shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with the length of 5 centimeter and diameter 2.8 centimeter. You can see here we have a cylindrical shape by ending with two hemisphere, and its diameter is 2.8 and length is 5 centimeter. Let's first find the volume of one gulab jamun. Okay, after that find the sugar syrup. After that multiplying with 45. So let's start. Volume of gulab jamun is volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. So here volume of cylinder formula is pi r square h, and here the diameter is 2.8. So obviously radius must be 1.4. So height of the cylinder is plus 2 times radius of hemisphere is equals to 5 centimeter. So here how height of cylinder is equals to 5 minus 2 into radius of hemisphere. Value of radius of hemisphere is 1.4. So we get on calculating this 2.2 centimeter. Now students, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. By putting the values of radius and height in this, we get 13.55 cubic centimeter. Volume of hemisphere is, radius of hemisphere is equals to 1.4 centimeter, and volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So by putting the value of r 3 times, we get 5.75 cubic centimeter. So volume of two hemisphere must be 2 multiple of 5.75. In this way we get 11.50 cubic centimeter. Now this is the volume of two hemisphere, 11.50 cubic centimeter. Now volume of gulab jamun is volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Putting these values, we get 25.05 cubic centimeter is the volume of gulab jamun. So volume of one gulab jamun is 25.05 cubic centimeter. Volume of 45 gulab jamun must be 45 into 25.05. So we need to find the quantity of syrup in 45 gulab jamun. So for that, after multiplying this, because it is given that the quantity of syrup is 30%. So in 45 gulab jamun, 30% of 45 multiply with 25.05. In this way, by calculating this, we get 338 cubic centimeter. So sugar syrup is 45 gulab jamun is equals to 338 cubic centimeter. So students, in this way, today we have completed important questions. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.